welcome once again to Beacons Avenue, and I'm going to continue with our tutorial on Adobe Photoshop and about graphic designing. We're going to continue from where we left the other time, and we are still on paper size or selecting of paper for our workspace. So we continue. I hope by this time you are having the software installed on your laptops or on your computer. So let's continue. So now let's open our Adobe Photoshop. Mine is already open, so I just right. It's open already. So the other time we were at paper selection, and this is where we ended. And we got a square paper size, mostly for our social media advertisements, WhatsApp DPs, Instagram posts, and many others. So now, in case you have been given a measurement, for instance, you go on your own to measure a particular work that someone has asked you to print or to design for. So we still use the same process: file, then new, then now. You know the particular measurement you want to take. So whatever you're going to do, you need to custom your measurement in the way that will going to benefit you. So if, for instance, you want to measure a billboard, which is in centimeters, the height and the breadth, everything in centimeters, all that you have to do, you just come and change these values, the height, the width, just come and change it, and the units are here, so you can set any unit that you use. In case you use the tailor's tape measurements for your measurement, or any other tool that you use for the measurement, so it can be inches, it can be pixels, centimeters, and millimeters, and mostly it says inches, centimeters, and millimeters that you use. So in case you use a tape measure and you get centimeters, you just select centimeters, then you custom your width and your height. So for instance, what I want to measure is 100 centimeters. So let's say 100 centimeters being the width, and the height is, let's say, 50 50 centimeters. So this is basically what I want to measure. So it means it is somehow bigger for the person. So this is the height being 50 centimeters and the width being 100. So I click on OK. So you see it is in the form of a banner, something like a banner. So this is the measurement I went to measure from a particular work I want to do. So if it's still a different one to new, whatever measurement you do, just come and custom it here for your benefit. So it can be in inches. So let's say uh, 6 inches, or let me say 60 inches by 60 inches being the width, then 100 inches being the height. So I'll just change the units here, inches, inches. So let me go back again. So 60 inches, then 100 inches, then okay. So you see, this is what I got. This is the exact measurement I want to do. So you continue with it. So now we are going to continue with saving our work. How to save your work. So for instance, if this work you finish doing it and you want to save, and in saving you have two methods. Is either you want to save it finally, that you print it out for the person, or you save it in a way that when you come back to edit or you see a mistake in it, you can be able to edit it very well. So those are the two ways we save our document or our project. So one is saving it in a way that you can edit it, or one is finally saving it that you just print it out without being able to edit again. So for example, this work, if you want to save it, you go to file, then you go to save as here, control, hit control plus S. You can also use that shortcut, or you select save as from file menu, save as. Now when you come here, select where exactly you want to save it. So I'll save it on desktop. So let me name it billboard. So let me just use the shortcut bill. So this is the name of my file, bill. So now this is where you do our selection. Under the format option, this format, you're going to select JPEG. So you have to scroll through and look for JPEG. This is JPEG. You can see JPEG over here. So when you select JPEG, it means that when you save this document, you can't edit it again. So you are saving this as a picture format so that you print it once and for all. You are not going to edit anything in it again. So this is our first way of saving it. So now this is JPEG. This is the name of the file, being it bill.jpg. Now it has automatically been added. The JPG will automatically be added by the software. So you select your format. Now then already select desktop. So save. So it's not the same thing. Just continue to confirm and excluding the picture. And always make sure the picture quality is always of maximum 12. So the format options always standard baseline. So okay. So now saving, as you can see over here, saving bar movie, saving, as you can see over here. So when you save this, then you can't edit it again. So that is the first way. Now the second way, both save again or save as again. So let's wait for the command to complete because it's still saving this document, it is still saving. So let's wait for it to finish saving. Alright, so our file has finished saving. So it has finished saving. So let's go to the second way of saving. So still go to file, go to save as, then now its name is still bill. So now you select this format. You're going to look for this name, being it Photoshop PSD or PDD. This is the second way of saving, is Photoshop PSD or PDD. In this way, when you save it, it's going to save it as an editable way so that you can come and edit it anytime you want to edit. So select it now. Then this is the format that I selected now. So desktop. Then you see now. So it has been saved. That means I can come and edit it or change the whole thing all over again. So these are two ways of saving. Hope it has been beneficial to you. Continue to subscribe and watch out for more tutorials. Thank you.